Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can download and install the Opera browser into your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So we need to open the default browser of our Windows, which is the Microsoft Edge. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Edge. Click on Microsoft Edge under the best match. This is also a great browser, the Opera browser. So go ahead in the search bar and type Opera browser download. Hit enter. Now you'll find the first result, which is from the official website www.opera.com. Click on that. So it's from www.opera.com, and you'll find this download now button. So this is faster, safer, and smarter browser. So Opera browser is fully featured also for privacy, security, and everything you do online. So you just need to simply click on this download now button, and they set a file we downloaded into your Windows. So you just need to wait for that in a while to be completed. Now, once done, you just need to simply click on this show in folder and then double click on the setup file and then close this window. Close also the browser, then click on accept and install. Click on accept and this will be downloading. So let's just wait for this. Now we have just installed the Opera browser into our Windows. So here you can now enjoy watching your favorite videos in the Opera browser. So you can browse into it to watch your favorite videos and then search for your favorite information or important information. You can also choose a browser theme. So let's go with the light. Click on next. Click on next. You can also add your favorite social apps from here, so it's up to you. Now, I'm not just going to add any of this. On done. And now, we can now start browsing. So here it is. So that's how you can easily install the Opera browser into Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.